guys, ito nga yung famous cuisine restaurant dito sa Bishkek. It's called Supara. Yan naman yung place. Yung setup nila, yung ambient, napakaganda. Tignan natin. First time namin titikin ito guys. Ito yung horse meat nila. Okay guys, nakita nyo naman. Horse meat. Horse soup. Horse mommy noodles. Let's try this.
Wow!
Lasa ng horse meat.
Horse
soup. Sorry.
Oh my God! Wow!
Lasa ng doon sila natin kanina. Lahang corned beef. Look, give me this so-called national tea. So let's try this. First time.
Wow!
Oh.
Wow! Oh my God!